take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Hey everybody, hey, it's your girl Nikki. I am back. I'm in the car with the bestie. Yes, she's back. Okay, we are back. We are on our way downtown. The bestie's birthday is this weekend, so we're out and about. So yeah, she's picked some places that we're gonna go. So we're of course gonna bring you guys along. Where are we going first?
The Gwen.
Okay.
Rooftop.
Oh, the rooftop girl. Okay, so we're on our way to the Gwen. We're gonna bring you guys along with us. It's kind of, let me see. It's breezy today. Not as hot, but it's humid a little bit. And I just got my hair done, and it's trying to go back. So we're gonna hope that it lasts all day, at least. So I'll bring you guys along with us. I'll pull you guys back up once we get to the Gwen.
So after cocktails at the Gwen, we met up with our friend Kim, and she had her son with her, and he loves Starbucks. So what better place to take him than the Starbucks Reserve Roastery, the largest Starbucks in the world.
Okay, Kareem, you want to try it? No?
It's a hazelnut buttermilk infused with espresso. So it's super thick, but it's super creamy.
It's super good.
Yeah, I love it. It's really good ice.
And of course, I insisted that he try the avocado made with the nitrogen infused gelato. It's so good, and he loved it. You can only get the avocado at the Starbucks Reserve Roastery. The bestie had one more stop she wanted to make, so we stopped by JoJo's Shake Bar to try some of their famous shakes. And they were delicious.
Hey everybody, hey, it's your girl Nikki. I am back. And yeah, Mom and I are on our way to go to do a pickup at Bath and Body Works. Excuse the air because it's super hot. And yeah, this is the time of the year when Bath and Body Works have you like in a chokehold. Okay, they won't let you go. So I looked at my app today and I saw that they gave me a 30% off coupon off an order over $30. So of course I put in an order. And now I'm going to go pick it up. They do have some candles that I really want to smell. So, because if you know anything about me, your girl is going to buy a candle, okay? I'm not really like into all of their body products except for the You Got It aromatherapy. So, yeah, I'm only doing aromatherapy at Bath & Body. It may be a spray or two here and there. So yeah. But anyway, let me get on the road. I'll bring you guys when we get there. Okay guys, so really quick, I wanted to show you guys what I picked up from Bath and Body Works last night. So here we are. I just picked up all hand soaps and I picked up a free gift as well. So I picked up 2 of the Mahogany Apple hand soaps, and this Mahogany Apple smells so good. It's like fall. It gives you fall vibes. You know the fall is coming. And the candle of Mahogany Apple is so good as well. So yeah, so that's what I picked up, Mahogany Apple. And then I also picked up 2 champagne apple and honeys. Picked up 1 champagne toast and 1 sunshine and lemon hand soap. Oh, and let me show you the free gift that I got. Okay, and the free gift that I got was the aromatherapy stress relief eucalyptus and tea. And it's like the little body mist spray, which I love. So yeah, one thing about me, I'm gonna get the aromatherapy line every time for the free gift. So yeah, so that's what I picked up from Bath and Body Works. Let me show you guys my Espresso haul. So really quickly, I'll show you guys my Espresso haul. Nespresso always has free shipping if you buy over $35 worth of items. So yeah, so I just picked up 3 sleeves this time, and let's see what I got. So of course we had to pick up some free samples. This time around for free samples, we went with caramel cookie and vanilla custard pie, and they are very yummy. Here they are. And as you can see, without me even taking it out the box, that I picked up 2 sleeves of chocolate fudge and 1 sleeve of caramel cookie. And you guys have seen these before. And then I also have down up in there some recyclable bags. So yeah, so that's it for my haul from Nespresso. Hey everybody, hey, it's your girl Nikki. Yes, I am back. You can see I'm still kind of doing the straight hair, not the twist, but it gets bigger and bigger by the day, and I keep it like on flexi rods. So yeah, so I'm liking it. It's okay. I have to train it to be straight now. So I'll be getting it blow dried again, and it's like really thick up here. So I'll be getting it blown out again, or I'll get a silk press in another 2 weeks. Yeah, so I'll get it again. Mom and I are out. I have to go pick up a pickup from Walgreens. Yeah, I'm picking up a pickup from Walgreens. I've been on like this Coca-Cola kick lately. Like, what is going on? And then it's like nobody in the area had any Coca-Cola. I don't know, because I'm very much a Pepsi girl, but I'm going to pick up my Coca-Cola, okay, from Walgreens. And then I have to pick up some shirts for Michael's, because I have to make a few shirts for this group at church. So I'll be making them a few shirts really quickly tomorrow evening. And what else are we and first stop is Home Goods or TJ Maxx. I'm looking for some new sheets. So, you know, like when you start going through these things and like, oh, okay, it's time for a new pair of white sheets. I like white sheets, okay? White sheets, cream bedding, maybe like, because I'm going to be painting the room gray. So I don't know if I want to keep my bedding cream or white or incorporate the gray, but I'm definitely getting white sheets. So I'm going to run in Home Goods or TJ Maxx to pick that up, see if I can find some. And I like the zipper pillowcases. Anybody else like the zipper pillowcases? I prefer those. And I did order some of these new pillows off of Amazon. We'll see if they're all what they're cracked up to be. I remember I went to one hotel downtown. I can't remember the hotel right off the bat, but the pillows were amazing, and they were so amazing that I called down to the front desk and was like, where did you get these pillows from? And we went like on the website, because we're always searching for really good pillows. So we went on the website, and I think the pillows were like, for like a regular person, consumer to buy them, was like $800. I'm like, what is going on? So, we were at the Conrad Hotel. They have the best pillows. So yeah, they have some of the best pillows. Very, very nice pillows. So yeah, that I've slept on so far. Conrad is number 1 for me. Yeah, and then I'm gonna run in Walgreens, pick up my Coca-Cola, and while I'm in Walgreens, I'm gonna be checking out. Listen, you guys know I went and got my nails done, so I had to, like, the next day they started chipping. I don't know what's going on with the no chip. Like, it completely just peeled off like the next day. And I don't have time to be running back and forth to the shop talking about some of my nail chip. So I'm going to give them a break, let them get their act together. And you know, when you get no chip, they give you like all these little, over time you get these little dents and stuff in your nail, indentations. So I'm just going to give my nails a break. And I'm going to try some press-on nails. I've been wanting to try some press-on nails. My sister wears press-on nails. So I called her and asked her which ones were the best. She told me Kiss. So that's what we're going in to get. We're going to get some Kiss press-on nails. And we're going to try them out and see how they do. Now, I do have a fairly large thumb bed. So I hope that they fit. So I'll bring you guys along when I pull up in Walgreens and yeah, see what I can find when we get there, because they have so many different options. I am gonna give them a try, so I will let you guys see them when I get there. So let me stop talking, run down the street to TJ Maxx or Home Goods, and I'll bring you guys in as well. See you in a bit. So Home Goods was a bust. They didn't have anything, so we're gonna run in TJ Maxx to see what they have. And I would be looking for zippered pillowcases, so doing the most, just getting standard pillowcase. Okay, everybody, so we just left Home Goods and TJ Maxx. I was able to score my sheets over at TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx is where I go get all my sheet sets from, either TJ Maxx, Home Goods, or Marshalls. I'm not a Ross girl. I can never find anything in Ross whenever I go, so Ross. But yeah, those are my go-tos. And I was able to, like, Kate Spade has amazing sheets, but I wasn't getting Kate today. I've had Kate in the past. They're good, but I wanted to try something new, and I actually got a really good deal. And I found my zipper pillowcases, and I got 2 packs, and they come in a set of 4 cases. Mom was like, "You found a zipper?" Yes, I did. I know what I want. So go to TJ Maxx or Home Goods, Marshalls, see if you can find those zippered pillowcases. But let me run in Walgreens really quickly, and I'll bring you guys in when I pick up the press-on nails to see which ones that I'm gonna get. So yeah, okay, I'll see you in a bit.
You always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my...
Okay, everybody, so here's the finished product. I did put the nails on, and I think I kind of like them. Yeah, I kind of overestimated how big some of my nails were, because they're actually smaller. These are smaller, but this was my first time applying them, so when I did this hand, these nails over here are much smaller than the ones that I applied on the other hand. So yeah,
So I kind of like them. You can get addicted to these like really fast. So yeah, so my sister gave me some more places to get nails from, but I'm liking the Kiss so far. So this is my first day wearing them. I will let you know how long they last. So we are trying the press-on nails. I usually don't even get my nails this long, but I used to wear nails a while back, and I went crazy over my acrylics. Like, I was there getting refills all the time. So hey, this is just bringing me back to those days. So yeah, I will keep you guys updated. As you can see, I did get 3 pair, and I kind of mixed this one with the sparkle. You know, I like the sparkle. And then I picked up some black nails, something that I'm not really used to, black nails. So yeah, I'm liking them, and of course I will let you know how long they last. See you guys.
Going out my mind, I just can't stop thinking about